Yeah, that's not good.
Spanish?
Hi. English mejor. This is really random, but you are absolutely gorgeous. I had to say hi. Hi. His name's Teddy. He's my wingman. ¿Cuál es tu nombre? Oops, sorry. I'm Matt. Matt. What'd you say your name is? Dulce? Like sweet? Yeah. Are you sweet? I bet everybody asks you that. You seem sweet. That's good. I like sweet girls. Well, we were just walking, but you distracted us. It's all your fault. Do you live near here? Like on the beach?
No.
No. Okay. Where? Where do you live? Here in Playa? Yeah. I'm from USA. And he's from the Philippines. He's Filipino. Before I go, tell me something about you. Like, what turns you on in life? Like, what do you enjoy? ¿Cuál es tu pasión? Besides reading. You love to travel.
Yeah.
Yeah. So like different lifestyles, alternative lifestyles.
Yeah.
Okay. Nice. So you don't like to be in the box like everybody else. Same way. I lived in a small town growing up, and then I moved to California to play music and try different things. I didn't want to have like a job on a computer all day long, like an office job. I couldn't do that.
Yeah.
I like this, like being out and seeing nature. I come out every day.
That's so cool.
Nice.
So neat.
Well, do you have WhatsApp?
Yeah.
Let's keep in touch. Here. You're just out here by yourself?
Yeah, by myself.
Mexican number?
Yeah.
Okay. Help guys talk to girls.
Ah, really?
Yeah.
Where,
Like, I do workshops where we teach guys how to do this. Like, walk up to a girl. Yeah. How often does it happen to you? Like today, for example, how many guys came up to you? Only one time yesterday?
Yeah, only one.
And only one time today? Me. Really? Do you think guys need to do this more? Like meet women in real life? Yeah. Better than Tinder. Yeah, they're like too aggressive,
Yeah.
right? They're like, hey, you're beautiful, give me your number. Yeah, that's not good.
Spanish?
Hi. English mejor.
English is no en la playa.
Oh, no?
No.
Okay. But siempre ver mucho perros aquí en la playa.
Eh,
It's not allowed?
no, Carrillo no.
Ah, okay. I thought it's allowed.
Marina, no, Carrillo.
Okay, I take him home. Mi casa aquí.
Okay.
Okay. So todo la playa? Todo?
No,
It's no allowed. Okay.
In the quinta. En
Okay.
En la calle.
Ah,
En la
okay.
calle. Aquí en la playa.
Ah, okay.
Vale, playa.
Okay, I'll take him back. That's the first time. I walk him every day. Before it happened to me where they stopped me on La Quinta and they asked for money, yeah, because I was filming my client talking to a girl.
Ah, okay.
So, and then I was gonna give him feedback
Yeah.
for a workshop.
Ah, just for
For my workshop, yeah, I was helping him, and then the police came and they said, "Oh, you're filming her. That's illegal." Yeah. Yeah, so I had to pay a little
so
bit.
Actually, people pay for
Yeah, yeah. Because guys are very shy to say hi, even though it's not hard. It's muy fácil. But you just say hi and talk and get to know, like this. It's not that hard.